The default route provides a few useful options out of the box. To find them, select your root actor and look for the group called Crawling System Config. Root Enabled determines if the route can be entered or not when the character overlaps the entrance. Allow Backward Movement determines if the characters can move backwards when crawling. This rule overrides the one set in the character crawling movement component. You will see how another icon appears over the spline points indicating that it is a forward-only route. Bidirectional determines if the route can be entered only from the front door or also from the back door. Align to Ground determines if we want the exit location for the characters to auto-align to the ground or not. If it is not aligned to the ground, the character will fall after it finishes exiting from the route. Both front and back door exit trigger distance determine the distance from where the character will get out of the route. This means that by default, the character will leave when he reaches 30 units from the exit. There are also two properties to configure the exit point distance, which determines the location the character will move to when it exits the route.